It's so lovely to see you. I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Look, Fairy May, it's the biggest apple I've ever grown. Oh, Finley, it's absolutely perfect. It's glowing. Want to hold it? Yes, please. It's so beautiful.
Look at this beautiful apple. It's so yummy and magical. Wow, it's glowing. Look at you, all ready for your transformation.
Yeah.
Just a little tap and poof. There, you're the most magical apple in the whole garden. I'll slice this for you with a touch of magic. Hocus pocus.
Look closely, right here. These tiny black seeds are where new apples begin to grow. Isn't that incredible?
Oh, isn't it beautiful? Shine brightly, little seed. May your magic fill the world.
Look at this magical seed I found. It's gonna grow into something amazing. Can you see how it sparkles?
Look at this beautiful spot. Perfect for our garden. Let's make it bloom.
I'm ready to help our garden grow. Look, it's the perfect spot. We'll plant this apple here, right away. I made this just for you. Isn't it just perfect?
Look at the pretty shovel. I'm gonna dig a big hole. Watch this. It's perfect.
Come on, everyone. Let's do this together. You can do it.
I found it, the perfect apple seed. Now into the ground you go. Grow into a big, beautiful tree. Look, it's glowing.
Now, little friend, you're all tucked in. Sleep tight and grow into something beautiful.
Time to make some magic happen. Look, it's growing. Wow, incredible. I've got it. It's so cute. Look, a brand new watering can. Now, let's make the garden even more beautiful.
Hi, friends. I'm Finley, and I'm ready to water our magical garden. Watch as the sparkly water helps our plants grow. Isn't this fun?
Look, there it is. The sun is coming. I knew it would. Clouds, clouds, go away now. Shimmer, sparkle, shine so bright. Make the gray clouds turn to light.
Grow, little friend. That's it. Come on up. You did it. Welcome. Look at it go. Wow, you're getting so big. You're doing so well, little friend. Just a little more magic to help you grow. Look at you shine. You're gonna be beautiful. Look at you go. Wow, that's amazing. Look how big it's getting. It's so beautiful. You are doing so well, little one. Grow, grow, grow. Look at you now, my beauty. Look, they're starting to grow. Aren't they wonderful? So bright and shiny. Grow big and strong, little friend. Look at you now. So beautiful.
Look at this tree. It's so amazing with all these colors. And these leaves feel like they're singing. It's the best tree ever. Wow, it's so big and beautiful. Wow, look at them all. They're so beautiful, like magic.
Oh, I've never seen anything like this before.
It's like a fairy tale come to life.
Oh, these apple blossoms are just the most lovely thing I've ever smelled. The sweet scent is...
Look at the magic. The rainbow petals are dancing. I caught one. It's so beautiful.
Look, everyone, it's growing. Oh my goodness, it's a tiny little apple. How amazing. A magical tiny green apple.
Wow, look at them go. They're getting so big, so fast. Amazing. Incredible.
With a touch of warmth and a pinch of starlight. Ripen. What beautiful, perfect apples. Wow, look at them all turning red. This is amazing. They're so beautiful. Oh, wow, look at this. It worked.
All.
Welcome to the Garden of Wonders. Look at these perfect red apples.
1, 2, 3. Look at this big, juicy apple.
Look at this magical fruit right here. Isn't it wonderful? Watch this.
Look at this one. It's perfect. Wow, it's glowing.
Look, the fourth red apple. That's the one we need. It's the most magical. See how it glows?
I love you so much, little apple. You are the most perfect apple in the world.
You're doing amazing. Keep up the great work. Thumbs up.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at it all. Happy day, everyone. This is amazing. Thank you for joining us. Goodbye, everyone. It was magical. See you next time.